Hi everyone, our group ID is 23 and our group numbers are myself Lokhendhar and my friends Danish, Tanvi, Akshya and Harshini. Today we are going to demonstrate the water quality monitoring system. Why the water monitoring system project was important. As all of you know, nowadays the water pollution was increasing day by day by industries polluting water into rivers, lakes, seas and etc. So by water pollution we may cause diseases like typhoid, diarrhea and etc. So it is important to monitor the quality of water continuously to reduce water pollution for the future. Our project is made of like simple components like Arduino which is used for input to upload code, and pH sensor, as you know, it measures the pH, acidic, basic and neutral, and turbidity sensor, it measures the turbidity values like cloudiness and dirtiness of water. And we use I2C LCD module to represent the values of pH sensor and turbidity sensor. Now future plans of our project was so as you can see the data of pollution as nowadays, and if you see the year by year pollution was increasing. So in future plans it may affect very seriously. So to reduce pollution, we can use water monitoring system to evaluate continuously. Now our project demonstration starts now.
Water quality monitoring system, and let's go on. And as you see here, it will be pH sensor module. This will be like this. This is called pH sensors, and if you see at left of this is called turbidity sensor, which shows that muddiness of that water. And that pH, you know about that, if it falls in between 1 to 6, it will be acidic. If it falls in 7, it will be neutral, and if it falls in between 8 to 14, it will be acidic. Now we can start our project demonstration. Come this way, and okay, I'll give the output of this things. As you see from that LED in that video, and now we can demonstrate. Here you can see here, as you see, this is the basic water mixture, and this one the muddiness of that things, we soil to create a muddiness of that things to check our sensors. And as you see, as a right of the things, this will be lemon juice, and this will be neutral water. Now we can demonstrate about. Now one more thing, that we have calibrated our pH sensor as 2.5. It will be calibrated value which gives a perfect neutral things, and other things as base and acid. Now we can demonstrate here. As you see, we are going to demonstrate first the base water. you check that value from that screen, it will come some effect. And that you can watch this as the pH value, it lies between 6 or 7. It will be as a neutral, a kind of neutral, because our pH sensor is not much of that capable to detect actual value, because this is cheaper sensor which available in our market and our budget. And now we can see for that acid part. As we move on to that acidic part, as you see here, you can check that value, and now you can see that value from that camera you destroyed. Here that value comes likely 4.36, and you have to keep in mind that our sensors will take at least 5 to 10 seconds to identify that it will be base or acid or neutral. So the value will be after 10 seconds it will be perfect. Okay, now we can check that value of that acid. It will lies between 4. Okay, and as you see here it writes acidic. And now the pH part is covered. Now we move on to the turbidity part. As you see here, this is the turbidity sensor, and now we put it in first muddy water. As you see here, we will shake this. Now you can see this. Now this will be full of that. Now we put the turbidity sensor in mud water. As you see here, it writes here that muddy water. As you see in that camera, it looks as a muddy water. And okay, then if we check with neutral water, then you can see here it will show like cloudy water. It means that some particles are stick on our sensors. It will be affected because of we put it in muddy water, and when we put it after that muddy water, it will show like these things. Okay, now we have to put at least 10 seconds for that value, for that actual value and correct value. Now we have to wait. It shows cloudy water and 68%. If we save this, it will change. No, it will not change, because some particles, some dirty particles will stick here, stick on that turbidity sensor, so that's why it won't show. If we put again in muddy water, it will show, it will change that value of turbidity. It will change the value of turbidity. This one will be cloudy water, because some particles are rested in that bottom of that glass. As you see, if I mix this and now I put this, it will show muddy water. This shows our pH, our turbidity sensor is working, and now we put it on that on this solutions of basic, a kind of basic things. Now we put it this, what it shows, cloudy. We have to wait for that sensor values for 10 seconds, as I said previously. Now it shows 71% of that. Now it means that cloudy water. Okay, now we'll put this, we'll check this basic as kind of the basic because we are not able to use that basic things from that our chemistry lab. Okay, we demonstrate for that pH sensor. First we clean this in neutral water, then we put this in a kind of base. Now the value will be 8 or something. It's a dilute base, so it will be lies between 6 and 8 up to 8. Yeah. Now you can see as our project demonstration. Now I would like to say about this project. As you see in your village or around you that many of the peoples are drinking unsafe water. Our project will help them to a kind of improvement to drink safe and secure water from that side. And this will be the project. Thank you.